Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a brand new episode of Shosha. Yes, this is Alamdar, and as you know कि हमारी कोशिश specifically इस segment में, because what we do is we try to bring in inspirational individuals जो कि basically जिनकी ज़िंदगी ये एक लंबी लंबी दास्तानें हम सुनते हैं, देखते हैं और हम उनसे इंस्पायर होते हैं. हमारा objective basically उनकी स्टोरी सुनने से ये होता है कि people out there who actually are listening and watching the show can also get inspired. But introduction ज़्यादा मैं खुद नहीं दूंगा, I would rather सबसे पहले welcome करूंगा. तो बीना सुल्तान, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Alamdar. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely pleasure कि आप आए और मुलाकात भी हो गई इसी बहाने और गपशप भी लगे. तो बीना, हमेशा मेरा सबसे पहला सवाल होता है whenever I have a guest with me on my show, तो मैं सबसे पहले सवाल करता हूँ कि आखिर बीना कौन है?
कौन है?
Who is बीना? बीना सुल्तान है कौन?
Well, I'm a fashion designer by profession.
Right.
I run an art gallery. शौक है मुझे art and fashion. Oh my God, I thrive on that. So interestingly, उसको हमने फिर अपना business भी बना लिया. शौक को आप जब एक
Right.
लेके जाते हो certain level पे, and otherwise, we all try, we all struggle. Everybody has a story. You have a story, I have a story.
Absolutely.
So life goes on like that. But we try in the creative sense. पाकिस्तान में आपका दिल करता है ना कि when you travel abroad, you see things in the world, you want your country also to be at that same level.
Absolutely.
So in my business, मुझे भी ये interest obviously हुआ, to take a step further. America, London, Europe. So we take exhibitions, we take art exhibitions, promoting new things. You know,
Right.
you reach a certain stage where you feel like you want to do more.
Absolutely.
So I'm at that stage
अच्छा,
of
so
life.
now you are, so basically बीना, अब तुमने ये सब positioning कर ली. Now you know that you love art. You are a fashion designer yourself. You have that part as well, and the creative element को you're still pursuing and trying to make the best. So how did this journey come to life? Is the story.
Darling, come to life तो ages ago
ठीक हो
actually.
गया. But फिर भी
पाकिस्तान में it's very simple when you're growing up, especially in our times.
जी,
When
जी.
you were growing up, so you think, oh, you're going to get married,
Right.
have babies, live
Right.
happily ever after.
जी, जी.
When you grow up, you understand there is no such thing as live happily ever after. Life is a journey.
Absolutely, it's not
It's steps, different steps. You have to cross different stages of life, and. Well, फैशन का शौक मुझे शुरू से था, always since college. So सारी मेरी दोस्तें शोस्तें कपड़े डिज़ाइन करवाती होती थी शुगल में.
Right.
Then other friends start getting into it. And education mostly in Pakistan. I did a master's in international relations, got a
अच्छा, very
gold medal in that.
अच्छा,
I'm an
very nice.
MBA.
Very cool.
So education बिल्कुल फ़र्क थी, but passion फ़र्क था.
बिल्कुल ठीक.
So when I started working, I said pursue the line that you actually like doing. Like you're following what you like doing.
Absolutely.
We're not
Do what you love to
we're
do.
not doctors and engineers.
बिल्कुल. हमें तो उस टाइम पे तो यही कहा था डॉक्टर बन जाओ या इंजीनियर बन जाओ.
I know, yeah, CSS का
Yes,
exam.
yes, करना.
So, when we choose different paths, shukr alhamdulillah, when I started, got into it, then it started picking up, अपनी pace पे, अपना build up, So it's been quite a ride.
It's definitely quite right, but मुझे सिर्फ ये बताओ बीना, back in the times, अगर मैं बात करता हूँ while pursuing this, क्योंकि आपकी definitely there would be lot of ups and lot of downs back in the times. So कभी-कभी वो भी time आता होगा, गुजारा होगा कि यार बस नहीं हो रहा.
I got into business actually. ये मैं सारी लड़कियों और औरतों को बताती हूँ कि when I left my first husband and I picked up my two kids, one was 10 years old and
Right.
one was 6 months old.
Right.
So I had the choice of joining UN because I'd done international relations and all. I had a couple of offers from there, or I could do this. So I got into this, but obviously in Pakistan the best thing is we get a lot of family support.
Right.
Okay, and when a single woman enters any profession with two kids, it's not easy. It's not easy, but all of us can do it. Anybody can do it. There is no such thing.
पुराने वक्तों में और इस वक्तों में तो काफी चेंज भी हो गया. There's a big huge difference.
अब तो लड़कियां they know what they want to
Empowerment
do.
हो गई है.
And they should. They're
Absolutely.
brilliant. They're such talented people. Now when I'm director of Ikra Fashion School and other NCA and all, so when we
Right.
go there,
Right.
the younger students, it's inspirational to see how these girls and boys. It's a different world, Alamdar.
It is a different world.
In our times, it was a different world altogether. उस वक्त restrictions थी, शादी लगता था दुनिया का सबसे main goal है, which is not.
अच्छा, वो तो खैर 100% मैं समझ सकता हूँ आपके जज्बात और आपकी कहानी, because it's coming directly from you. मुझे बताएं, social media की जो transformation थी, it has given us a lot of pluses
Oh my
and a
God.
lot of minuses.
Dude, even the computers. हमारे time पे तो जब computers आए तो हमें तो वो भी नहीं आते थे.
बिल्कुल ठीक.
Actually, we had to learn computers or social media. तो the dynamics change. The power social media has given people.
Right.
You can see everything and anything anywhere in the world.
And you can learn anything if you want.
can learn, and learning doesn't stop at any stage. Learning
नहीं,
goes
बहुत से
on.
लोग होते हैं वो कहते हैं कि बस मुझे आ गया.
ये बहुत बड़ी गलत फहमी होती है, ये इतनी बड़ी गलत फहमी होती है जानी, बिकॉज लर्निंग कैसे रोक सकती है? यू कीप लर्निंग एवरी डे. आप बच्चों से सीखते हैं, बड़ों से सीखते हैं, सबसे सीखते हैं.
Right. Beena, obviously, let's talk about your studio itself. Let's talk about your art and your work so far. तो BNS के हवाले से गुफ्तगू थोड़ा सा करते हैं कि BNS obviously couture is your brand, is your baby. You've been nourishing in it, feeding it, and bringing it out in amazing colors. तो थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में बताएं, उसकी conceptualization, how did it come to life और किस तरह
Jan,
आपने
when I
start किया?
started about 20 years ago, Islamabad में there were few designers, you know, and एक वो space होता है for Islamabad. In any case, Alamdar, you must have noticed, Karachi and Lahore have a huge market.
Absolutely.
Islamabad has a limited market. So when I started the business, it started doing well. Everybody from Karachi, Lahore was like, you should move there, you should
Right.
move there. But we have our love for Islamabad.
Yes, we do.
So,
That's a very difficult thing for me to move करना बहुत मुश्किल है.
so we said, rather, like you also yourself, I said I'll build up whatever I can over here. And people do appreciate fashion. People do appreciate art. It's not like Pakistanis, they have the right kind of taste. You have to find every brand in its own struggle. You know, you design stuff, you feel fashion weeks and fashion shows and up. You know, what I basically focused on was, because I enjoy different things.
बिल्कुल ठीक
I
है.
like something which is not very regular.
ठीक हो गया.
So we started, you know, designing lots of fun stuff.
Back in the times, fashion same था. as in कि जब आपने start किया तो I'm sure आपने फिर भी वे heady start design किया होगा.
मैंने तो,
अच्छी उड़ाती होंगी.
you know me.
Okay.
I did not start with typical. I can't end with typical.
Right.
You know, elements of fusion. Our brand is mostly fusion.
right.
We want to make women look empowered
Right.
and smart. Okay.
So आप लोगों का basically जो vision है basically that's the core of the way.
Yeah. Of course, every woman should be like 2026 की लड़की को, औरत को. How should she look? You know, the carriage,
Full-
the style, the look. It doesn't have to be expensive also.
Absolutely.
Fashion is, it's art, and fashion is, you know, it's according to your
And it's
taste.
also how you carry yourself as well.
Yes,
ये भी एक बड़ी important चीज़ है.
absolutely. But you know, ये जो लोग बोलते हैं आजकल ये फैशन में और आजकल वो फैशन में है, बलून पैंट बहुत फैशन में आ गई है, छोटी कमीज. Everything is in fashion.
Absolutely.
Whatever works for you is what you should, you know, go for, and you should try different things.
So अभी you just because mostly आपको बता चलूँ कि Beena is always traveling as well. तो Beena आप मुझे थोड़ा बताएं कि you take your clothing line yourself
Yeah.
to your clients abroad. तो
Abhi,
थोड़ा
there
सा-
was every year we go for this exhibition in the US. Apna mein, thank God, we had a great year in Orlando this time. You know, sold very well, made amazing clients. America mein we have different clients. Then we've been taking art exhibitions to Bulgaria and London.
Right.
We go a lot to Sofia in Europe.
बिल्कुल ठीक.
You know, we want to expand slowly,
जी, जी.
but in smaller markets.
Scales.
Yeah. Art gallery हमारी displays Chengiz's work. Chengiz
very
Sultan
nice.
is a very renowned artist, one
Very
of the
nice.
best in Pakistan.
right.
He's a living legend actually. You
बहुत
know?
amazing.
So his work and Sara's work. Then we've had exhibitions of multiple artists, Jani.
जी.
You know, artists from Lahore, different artists. उनकी
So
exhibition.
open houses आपकी कितनी होती हैं? I mean, how many exhibitions do you mostly?
Abhi
usually-
lately, Alamdar, for the last 3 years, I've been abroad a lot.
बिल्कुल ठीक
You
है.
know, but 3-4 exhibitions we do still.
अच्छा.
Inshallah, हम plan करते हैं जो बड़े scale की होती
बिल्कुल ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक है. बल्कि what I'll do is कि guys, what we'll do is we'll just take a quick tour. आप लोगों को जरा दिखा देते हैं कि इनकी अभी current scenario कि क्या-क्या हमारे पास सामान पड़ा हुआ है और आपने कितना amazing work किया हुआ है. Not only that, we'll definitely show the art. तो एक quick visit करते हैं और फिर हम वापस आते हैं.
Hi Alamdar, welcome to our studio and our gallery. This is Chingiz Saab's artwork.
Very nice.
You know, just check out the colors and the way the art is depicted. It's the most soothing thing in the world, actually. These are some pieces of the collection that I was talking about, you know. These are obviously shadi season and bridals, you know.
So you also do, I mean, like not only this, but you also do like other pret-a-porter as well,
Yes,
basically,
yes,
ready to
of
wear.
course. We make a lot of, like I was telling you, unconventional, you know. These are outfits which are designed with the artwork. You know, these are of painting. So it's like you're wearing the art rather than...
It's amazing. It's amazing.
We've done some fun type things. You know, we've got different cuts. I like I said, I don't like very matlab, conventional stuff. So, you know, this is more offbeat, more intricate detailing as far as the work is concerned. Ab ye dekho. A piece like this will take 6 months to make.
Wow.
So it's fashion designing is not, everybody thinks it's very easy. It's really not.
Definitely. Guys, I think it's been a very amazing visit for me as well, and I think हम वापस studio चलते हैं so that we can talk more. But ये visit करना आप लोगों के लिए future में must होगा. And thank you, Meena, for having me over.
I'm so glad you came and enjoyed. Thanks.
Well, guys, I'm sure आप लोगों ने काफी कलेक्शन भी देख ली, काफी चीजें भी देख ली, एंड ये दिस वाज द सेम कलेक्शन जो अभी आप कुछ लेकर भी गए हैं या करंटली चीजें बन भी रही थी साथ साथ.
The collection I took, Jani, was sold out.
सब sold out.
Yeah, that was completely.
और ये बिल्कुल
sold.
current अभी चल
Yeah,
रहा है.
I just came back like 2 weeks ago,
Wow.
and then I'm leaving in 2 weeks.
Wow, तो ये सारा का सारा जो अभी तक सब कुछ ये अभी हुआ है.
This is all new, and the art is obviously
Yes, मैं वही कह रहा हूँ.
Changez Saab ka and Sara's art. Those are
Absolutely,
amazing.
absolutely.
The gallery, so we keep, you know, changing the paintings according to वो सारी निकल जाती हैं. But art lovers आते हैं, fashion lovers आते हैं. Sad part ये है कि इस्लामाबाद में ज़्यादा fashion shows नहीं होते.
नहीं होते, बहुत कम होते हैं, बिल्कुल.
Which is, you know, but we've held fashion shows at the French Club, at the American Embassy,
Right.
at other, you know, multiple shows. मुझे याद है अलमदार जब पेशावर में शुरू हुए थे. About 15 years ago, they opened the thing for PC पेशावर में. There was a fashion show. हम लोग सारे बड़े excited हुए कि 15 साल बाद पेशावर अलाउ कर रहे हैं NWFP. So we went there और पूरा हॉल आदमियों से भरा, शलवार कमीज वाले आदमी बैठे हुए थे पूरे हॉल में. Okay, which is
यानी कि केपी में आप देखें, the point is कि उन्होंने देखिए अभी भी चले, उन्होंने एक इनिशिएटिव तो लिया ना. I'm sure. अच्छा मुझे बताएं कि रैंप में तो खवातीन होंगी, but because I think personally
रैंप पे तो हमारी मॉडल्स
तो definitely होंगी ना.
So then I changed the look a bit. I said अच्छा अगर पूरे आदमी भरे हुए हैं तो जितने मेल मॉडल्स थे मैंने उन सारों को ब्राइडल्स बना दिए.
बिल्कुल ठीक है.
लहंगे, घाघरे, चोलियां और टीके और दुपट्टे और लड़कियों को प्रॉप्स करके यूज किया.
बिल्कुल ठीक है.
It was one of the most fun shows. लेकिन मेरे पे फतवे आ गए थे कि I should be murdered.
ऐसे भी होता है. अच्छा बीना, मुझे besides this हमारी youth को what message would you like to give for all aspiring artists? And
I think you should stick to it, be consistent, don't give up, keep trying. You know, check different avenues. कहीं ना कहीं से कुछ ना कुछ opportunity ज़रूर निकलती है. But you know, stop being lazy also.
Right.
Because our youth is a little.
हाँ, थोड़ी laid back.
थोड़ी
नहीं, काफी laid back है. लेकिन उसमें AI का भी काफी कसूर है.
बहुत ज़्यादा. Chat GPT and AI, everything is on that now.
हर कोई बस Chat GPT से गुफ्तगू कर रहा होता है तो
obviously that. But जो hard working है, they're going places.
लेकिन आजकल मुझे बस the last conclusive thing जो मैं आपसे डिस्कस करूँगा, do you think कि we need to be smart to be where we are now? Because I think education का element भी थोड़ा सा जो है ना वो die down हो गया. You need to be very smart in how do you
street smart
and stuff.
Yeah. People who know smart तो matter करता है always.
I think बहुत करता है कि या क्योंकि देखिए AI और ये social media और ये सारी you need to know the tools.
Yeah.
I think आजकल के दौर में one needs to know the tools क्योंकि देखिए
but आजकल के तो अब the kids everybody knows this. You know, the younger generation, oh my God, it's like the generation millennials and Gen Z and पता नहीं Gen, I don't even know how many generations.
There's so many out there. Absolutely.
There's so many and the technology has gone so wild.
Absolutely.
You know, AI is doing, I mean, even for fashion, the images that AI is creating, it's unbelievable, dude. We used to have work so hard.
हाँ, उस टाइम पे बहुत difficult.
ज़मीन आसमान का.
लेकिन उस टाइम पे तो even कि एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट सीखना भी एक अजाब था. You need to, हम तो बुक्स पढ़ते थे.
हर चीज मैं अपने अड्डे वालों के साथ खुद बैठी होती थी, खुद एक चीज देख रही होती थी. अब AI पे पूरी इमेज बना के मेरी वो जो यंग डिजाइनर्स हैं वो मुझे दिखाती हैं कि ये मैम हम ये बना. I was like, wow, man, that's pretty cool.
Times changed. But anyways, Beena, thank you very much for being a part of the show. I think it was lovely to have you, and we loved obviously visiting your studio as well. And I'm sure that people out there who would want to check it out, हम इनकी details वगैरह भी अपने इस पेज पे भी लगाएंगे. Plus, not to forget, it's in F6. अगर और बाकी like I said कि inspirational आप रही हैं in terms of that, and looking forward for more interviews with you inshallah, and all the art exhibitions जो आपने
Of course. The upcoming exhibitions, you must cover them.
Absolutely, will do. All right, guys, thank you. And this was Beena, and yes, we discussed and the enthusiastic perspective में भी हमने सारी discussion कर ली, and how she is where she is, and कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ी, and I hope आप लोगों को काफ़ी inspiration रही होगी. Not only that, I'm sure you guys did enjoy the visit that we did, and if you want to check out her spot as well, you can absolutely go visit her art studio. It's in F6, and inshallah, till then, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. All the best.